Alright guys, I'm going to do a real quick video here. Lutz's actually at the store. I don't know, it's about 2:30, something like that. She's at the store, been there all day. I've been here with the kids. The kids are here playing, Hannah Grace and Jackie, and so, you know, they're best. They're their best, they're friends, and they're here playing. You know, Hannah Grace been at the store this whole weekend, and so she wanted to stay home and play. But you know what, guys? Today I went to the bank, and over at the bank, it was on Clark. I had a subscriber tell me this past week to check out this one store, and they sell a lot of like American products and things like that. And he told me where it was at. It's on Clark. I'm not going to give the secret away because I don't want everybody going there and buying up all the food. But yeah, I stopped there at this little store. It would say, you know, one of those duty-free stores. And they sell a lot of things in there, you know, shoes, clothes, kitchen products, housing products. But they have a little grocery area in there. No freezers, so there's no frozen food or anything like that. But I was walking through there, and I picked up some goodies. I picked up some stuff that I did not find anywhere here in the Philippines. So let me share with you what I picked up. I picked this up. Star-kissed tuna. You know what? I like tuna, and I like tuna sandwiches, but I'm just not a fan of the tuna fish that they have here, the canned tuna fish. You know, I like making, you know, tuna salad sandwiches and stuff like that. You know what? If they had Hellmann's, I'd be set, but they don't have Hellmann's here. I've never seen it. But I have found a decent mayonnaise here. So I found Star-kissed tuna. They even had what is it, chicken of the sea? I think they even had chicken of the sea. Picked up a couple of these starfish tuna cans. The other day we were, somebody was saying, you know, what can you not get here candy-wise that you can only get in the States? And then people were naming off different things. And of course I said, you know, York peppermint patties, but you can find them here. They're just in a real big assorted bag. I mean, they have Hershey products here. They have Hershey bars, they have Hershey almonds, Snickers, Milky Ways. They have Hershey products here. So, you know, you can find them. The Kit Kats, I'm trying to think of what else. But you can find those products here, some of the Hershey products. But somebody did mention this one. And I'm like, yeah, I've never seen it. And today when I was in the store, I did find it. And guess what it is? Whatchamacallit. I found me a whatchamacallit. And when I seen it, I said, you know what, I gotta get it. So yeah, I found a whatchamacallit here. Now the next thing I found, I've never seen it here. Been in many stores, maybe they do have it, but I personally have never seen it. I grew up as a kid enjoying these, and I grabbed these to give to the kids to enjoy, and right now they're enjoying it and they have no clue what's on the inside. You guys ready for this one? Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop. Remember the Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop? The old commercial with the owl. You know, how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop? I forget how the commercial went, but he would take a few licks, bite it and crunch it. But yeah, I've never seen them here. So I grabbed like a little pack of those and hooked the kids up. Right now they're enjoying them. They have no clue what's on the inside because they've never had them. But never seen them here. Maybe they're here, maybe they're not, but I've never seen them. But I grabbed some. Now the next one, I've seen it, but not like this, and I got it when I seen it. These are awesome. They're a great snack. I enjoy them. Grew up eating them. Matter of fact, a subscriber, James O'Connor from Philadelphia, reminded me about these in a comment he put the other day. But I seen these and I had to get them too. You guys ready for this? Hard sourdough pretzels. Now, these are Penny Stick brand sourdough hard pretzels. I've never had them. I've only had the Snyder's of Hanover, Pennsylvania, and but yeah, I grabbed those and actually grabbed 2 bags of those. And like I said, I get excited when I when I find things like that. They had a lot of different things in there. I didn't buy them, but I know they're there, and I'll definitely be going back to get them. They had real licorice, the Twizzler type licorice there. Pudding snacks, like the little cups of pudding snacks. But I've seen those. Trying to think about Aleve. They sell Aleve aspirin in there. Advil aspirin in there. What else did I see in there? Oh, applesauce. Mott's applesauce. Never seen it anywhere here in any of the stores. I've looked and looked and looked, never seen it. But they did have Mott's applesauce, Pop-Tarts, but I've seen Pop-Tarts here, actually at S&R, and I think at the supermarket at the grocery store in the mall. But they had quite a bunch of different things that I could never find. Chunky Campbell's soup, you know, the soup can with you know, the beef and potatoes and everything. They have brands like that in there. Well, yeah, anyways, I know I get a little excited over simple things, but like I said, I'm here with the kids, and they're playing today. They got, let me see, what do they got? They got some kind of makeup thing going on. Let me turn the light on. They got some kind of makeup box going. The subscriber who gave those to us the other day when she stopped by, you can see the kids already got them and they're using them. So thank you. They're putting use to what you guys gave them. Looks like we had some kind of tea party going on under here. Got the burners going. Tea party's going on. There's Hannah Grace. How's your Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop? Do you like it? Yeah. Do you know what's in the middle yet?
Chocolate.
Do you have the chocolate flavor? Oh, you're at the middle. That's not chocolate. You know what that is? A Tootsie Roll.
Peanut?
Tootsie Roll. It's like a chocolate. You never. She never had a Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Rolls are another thing you can't really find here. You like your lollipop,
Yeah.
Jackie? Yeah. So they got their lollipops. Hannah Grace has finally got to the Tootsie Roll Center. And then you have Nerissa over here. Hi, Nerissa. She's too busy playing. Where's your lollipop? Did you hide your lollipop? Oh, she put her lollipop in the cup. So, but yeah, the kids are playing. But yep, guys. I figured I'd just share that little excitement with you guys. Like I said, the simple things like that excite me here. But nothing else really going on. Later on, I'll head over and pick up Lut from the store. Oh, and guys, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, maybe. If not tomorrow, the next day. I'll let you know in the next video. But we're going to do another live show from the store. So anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe, like, share, dislike, leave the comments below, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.